If you want to scan your QR codes on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do, and there are three ways of doing this. So first of all, let's start with the easiest one. Open up your camera. First of all, let's check whether our camera can scan our QR codes. Tap on those four dots, tap on the gear icon, and locate that your scan QR codes option is turned on. Great. Now let's grab our phone and let's grab the QR code. Let's scan our QR code with the phone, and as you see, it automatically detects it. All right, so simply tap on this link. And as you see, we're directly transferred to the link. Let's do it once again. Easy as that. That's quite easy to do. All right. The second option is through our quick settings. So swipe down from the top right corner, open up this link. I'm sorry, not link, but this menu, and tap on your scan QR code option. Once again, do the same. So locate the QR code, press open link or copy or share, and we've got the same result. Right, so we can copy it or share it right away. And last but not least is to take a picture of your QR code, right? So for example, you only have a picture of it. And let's open up our gallery. So in our gallery, we are to find our QR code right here. Tap on this text icon, and our Google Lens will do its thing. So highlight the selected text, right, and press open link. Easy as that. That's how it goes. And basically that's it, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.